Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can set up parental controls on an Android 14 smartphone. So to start, you will need to launch Settings, open the list of all accounts on this device, here it is, and remove any Google accounts you have. Once there are no Google accounts left, get back to the main settings page, enter the Google category, then Parental Controls, Get Started, Child Routine, Next. Now you gotta sign into your child's Google account or create one. Once the account was successfully logged into, select it from the list over here, and the following step is to input the credentials for parental Google account this time, so let me quickly do that as well. So basically log into Google account you're going to use to supervise your child activity, or your child's activity rather. Then at the About Supervision page, input the child's Google account password one more time, and then tap at the Agree button and allow the supervision. Then wait for the parent and child accounts to get linked. Hit Next. In here you can turn off some of the apps that are already installed on this phone, which you will also be able to do later. So I think there is no need to stop at this step right now, so I'll simply do nothing. The same can be said about Manage Filters and Settings page. And then if the device that is highlighted over here is the same phone or tablet you are planning to use to supervise your child, you can tap over here and the required app will be automatically downloaded and installed on your parental device, or you can just finish the setup on the child's end and manually download and install the required app on your parental phone. So let's open the Google Play Store, then find the Google Family Link app and install it like that. Once the app is ready, you gotta simply launch it. In here, make sure to log in with the parental Google account. And well, that will be it. Here is the list of all controls. Here is the location section and the highlight section as well. So, well, that covers more or less everything, at least as far as setting up parental controls on an Android 14 smartphone goes. We highly appreciate your attention, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.